Hi, I'm Francesco Mazzei. I'm a chef. I'm running 3 beautiful restaurants in London, and I'm a proud ambassador of the Welsh Lamb. So this is one of the dishes which I'm particularly fan of because it's one of my book recipe, Mezzogiorno, and is a shoulder of lamb with carrots and potato. And it's called Fornarina because basically it's slow cooked and then it's gratin. It's also one of the dishes that my family does during Easter time. We get rid of this mark, first of all. We're not gonna take out a lot of fat because it's a slow cooked, so basically it needs a bit of fat to do that kind of confit style to it. Then we're gonna just simply put some salt and pepper. So a little of olive oil here, and of course, the pot has to be very, very hot because we need the kind of strong seared on the side of the lamb, actually both sides of the lamb. Bit of garlic, gently crushed so it releases beautiful flavor. Bit of butter here, so and we're gonna have this lovely color on the lamb. That's what you want. And of course, he has to sear the other side now as well, yeah? So this is now nice and seared. Basically, what you're looking for is this beautiful caramelization here, yeah? And that is giving a lovely color to the meat, flavor, and that's the way it should be really. So now, just put some rosé wine to it. Okay, quite a bit. Then I'm gonna add some tomato paste. 2 spoons is enough, right? 4 or 5 cloves here, 2 bay leaves. I'm just gonna add some lamb stock that we prepared before. As you know, it takes quite a while. And we're gonna go halfway through with the liquids on this beautiful Welsh lamb shoulder. And then we're gonna cook in the oven for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Let's say 150, 160 temperature, depends on the oven. And then we finish the dish for you. Okay, so lamb shoulder out of the oven. Okay, look at this. This has been now cooked for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It all depends how big the shoulder is, really. So, just gonna use a little bit of this jus to keep this quite moist. And what I'm doing now, I've got this lovely mix of herbs with breadcrumbs, which is mint, rosemary, marjoram, parsley. It is a lovely color. And then we're talking about banana cheese. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna go and mix it. We create a kind of lovely panure, which is gonna go on top of it. Okay, now it looks nice and ready. So I'm just gonna put some more extra virgin olive oil on top. It will help to gratin to the lovely crust on top for the lamb. And it's gonna get back in the oven for, I say, 10 minutes. As soon as it's got a lovely crust, and you make sure that your oven has got the grill on, and then you're gonna finish the dish. And there we go. Beautiful crust on this fantastic lamb shoulder. A Welsh lamb shoulder. Nice and crispy on top. And now it's gonna finish the dish really. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some lovely roasted potatoes that we did before on top of the oven. This potato wedge is a good Italian tradition for it. Okay, so let's finish this beautiful Welsh lamb shoulder dish with this glazed carrots. It's fantastic jus. And now our dish is done. A fantastic Welsh lamb shoulder Fornarina style. Looks tasty.